Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm going to show you how to set up AC ports timeout on EcoFlow River 2 Pro. Firstly, you should download, install and set up EcoFlow application. If you don't know how to do that, just watch our video about it. Then find your River 2 Pro device, click on the settings button in the right top corner of the screen. Then scroll down, here you will see AC timeout, click on it. And here we have 30 minutes, 1 hour and this list of timeout settings, options, and maybe you can think that EcoFlow River 2 Pro AC port timeout, it's when you want to charge something, then left it charging, for example, smartphone, and after 2 hours, for example, these ports will be automatically disabled, and it's cool. But it's not working in this way, and you have even information about it here in the settings. So AC output will turn off if no loads are connected to the device and no activity is detected in the set period. So it will automatically disable ports when nothing connected in this port. So the best idea is just to enable 30 minutes period. This is the best period, and when, for example, you are not connected, so it will be disabled after 30 minutes. But when you want to charge something, just click on this button and charge. In this way you will just increase battery life of your EcoFlow device, and it will work in its best. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye.